clothes. Items worn on the body for protection or fashion. I need to buy new clothes for school. Shirt. A garment worn on the upper body with buttons and a collar. He wore a blue shirt to the party. T-shirt. A casual garment with short sleeves and no collar, often made of cotton. I like to wear a t-shirt when it's hot outside. Pants. Trousers that cover the legs and are worn from the waist down. She put on her favorite pants for the hiking trip. Dress. A one-piece garment for women or girls that covers the body and extends down over the legs. She wore a beautiful dress to the wedding. Skirt. A garment worn by women or girls that hangs from the waist and covers the legs partially or fully. She twirled in her skirt and laughed. Coat. A long outer garment worn for warmth or protection from the weather. I need to put on my coat before going outside in the snow. Jacket. A short, lightweight outer garment worn on the upper body. He zipped up his jacket as he stepped out into the chilly wind. Jeans. Pants made of denim fabric, typically with pockets and seams. She wore her favorite jeans to the party. Sweater. A knitted garment worn on the upper body for warmth. He put on a cozy sweater to stay warm in the cold weather. Suit. A set of matching jacket and trousers or skirt, typically worn for formal occasions. He wore a black suit to the job interview. Tie. A long piece of cloth worn around the neck, typically with a shirt and suit. He adjusted his tie before entering the meeting. Hat. A head covering worn for protection or fashion. She put on her sun hat before going to the beach. Purse. A small bag used by women for carrying personal items. She kept her wallet in her purse. Shoe. A covering for the foot, typically made of leather, fabric, or rubber. He tied his shoe before going for a run. Boot. A sturdy shoe that covers the foot and ankle, typically made of leather. She wore boots to trudge through the muddy field. Sock. A garment worn on the foot and lower leg, typically made of cotton or wool. He put on a pair of socks to keep his feet warm. Pajamas. Loose-fitting garments worn for sleeping, typically consisting of a top and pants. She changed into her pajamas before going to bed. Underwear. Clothing worn beneath outer garments, including bras and panties for women and briefs or boxers for men. He folded his underwear neatly in the drawer. Swimsuit. Clothing worn for swimming, typically consisting of a top and bottom. She put on her swimsuit and headed to the pool.
Remember, the key to mastering these words is practice, practice, practice. Don't forget to like this video and follow my channel for more engaging English lessons with pictures. Until next time, happy learning!